Hi, and welcome to the February and Shopware 6.4.19.0 release news. This update contains quite a few general and some commercial features. So let's start with the general news. First of all, we finally added digital or non-physical products. So first of all, you can see them in the product listing. They are marked as digital. You can create these products via the drop-down. When you create the product, you can add the files that you want to have as the digital product. And also in the checkout, your customer can immediately have access to the digital content if they want to. The second general feature is that it's now possible to differentiate between and or search in the admin. So for example, I have the two customers, Shopware customer and Shopware testing. And if I search for customer Shopware, I will find both the testing and the customer account as it's searching for customer or Shopware. Now it will be possible to change this setting so it only searches for customer and Shopware. So it will only find the customer Shopware customer. However, this function only works if you are using Elasticsearch. The third general function is the addition of flow templates. So there are new flow templates for the flow builder. Right now you can only use the predefined templates that are provided by us. But for the future it's planned that you can create these templates yourself, either in the admin or via extensions, for example. So you can find the flow templates within the flow builder, and then you can just create a flow from the template directly. The fourth feature is also a highly anticipated feature. This feature allows you to hide and show content by device. So this enables the option to hide or show entire blocks and sections for only specific devices. So for example, if I check out our homepage, I can now say this text, I only want to see it in the mobile version. I can remove the tablet and desktop version. Then right now, before I saved, you can see that it's still visible. I'll now refresh the page and it's no longer visible in the desktop version. And the last and fifth general feature is a community build feature that is also available in the shopping experiences. This feature enables you to mark blocks and elements as one of your favorites. So these blocks will then be listed first and you can find them faster. So if I want to add, there's now the favorites tab. And for example, I like the image boxed, so I can like this and it will now be shown in my favorites. Now let's move to our commercial news, as there are no dev news. First of all, we are releasing the new guided shopping feature for all our Beyond customers. As this is quite an extensive feature, we will create another video just to describe this function and all its possibilities. And this video will follow within the next few weeks. The second commercial feature is also for our Beyond customers. This feature is called multi-inventory, and this allows you to organize warehouses in warehouse groups. These groups can get assigned to products, and the stock is therefore definable per warehouse. Warehouse groups can also have rules that can automatically display the right warehouse stock to the customers. The last feature in this release is once again an addition for the flow templates. In this case, Rise, Evolve and Beyond customers can share flows. The flows can be downloaded and then added to another shop. So for example, the file includes references like products, customer groups and custom fields, and also data as in email, templates and rules. And as always, we would like to thank all our GitHub contributors for their pull requests we could merge into this version, especially in this version with the community build feature built into the update.